Hi, my name is Jason. I'm a project manager here with America's Home Place. I'm working out of the Gainesville office. Behind me, as you can see, we're at a foundation stage for one of the homes that we're currently building. This plan is our Brookwood Modern Farmhouse. It's about 2,700 square feet in size. As with all of our homes, you can have any plan that we build depending on your lot, on a slab, a crawl, or a basement. Currently at this stage, we've just finished our rough plumbing. With all of our basements, you get a stub out for a future bath, and this is what you currently see behind me. After this stage, we're actually gonna start pouring the concrete slab. We'll drop a layer of gravel, 6 mil poly on top of that, and then pour a 4-inch slab to finish out our basement. We do a 9-foot wall for all of our basements. And on top of that, we're gonna put an open web truss system, so you can actually run your HVAC as well as your electrical through that open web, so you maximize the height of your basement. After this stage, we're going into our framing stage. After we pour the slab, we're gonna be dropping the framing package and start building. If you'd like to hear any more information or learn a little bit more about our basements, as well as any of our plans, you can always reach us at americashomeplace.com. Thank you.